Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys my trading that I've done this week so far. Started good, then I had that big loss, then I went good, then I had three huge losses back to back. Yeah, this three in a row kind of hurt. So I'm trying to eliminate my my streaks. You know what I mean? At least, at the end of the day, you are gonna lose some. However, you don't want to lose too many of them. Like I said, so far it's been a good trading week. First time ever trading gold this much. So let's see how we finish the week. I'll keep you guys posted.